In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Trello with a Zap in Zapier. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple automation that moves information from HubSpot into Trello without manual copy-paste. First, head over to Zapier in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, make sure you have access to your account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the dashboard and click on Create. From the menu that appears, choose Zap. A Zap is simply an automation that starts with a trigger and finishes with an action. Let's begin by setting up the trigger. Click on Trigger to choose the app that will start this automation. In the search bar, type HubSpot, then click on the HubSpot app when it appears. Next, you'll be asked to choose an event. The event is what tells Zapier when to run. For example, you might trigger when a new contact is created or when a deal moves stage. Pick the event that matches your workflow, keeping in mind what information you want to pass to Trello. After selecting the event, you'll connect your HubSpot account. Click the prompt to connect, then follow the on-screen authorization steps. You may be asked to grant permissions so Zapier can read the data required for your trigger. Only authorize the scopes you're comfortable with and avoid sharing any sensitive credentials in plain text. When the connection shows as successful, you're ready to move on. Now let's define what happens next. Click on Action to tell Zapier what to do after the HubSpot trigger fires. In the search field, type Trello and click on Trello when it appears. You'll again be asked to choose an event. This is the outcome in Trello, such as creating a new card or updating an existing one. Select the event that aligns with how you want Trello to reflect your HubSpot activity. Finally, connect the Trello account. Click to connect and authorize Zapier to access your Trello workspace. You'll confirm permissions so the action can run when the trigger occurs. Keep your credentials secure and confirm you're linking the correct Trello team or boards you use for this workflow. That's it for the core setup. You've gone to Zapier, created a new Zap, set HubSpot as the trigger with an event, connected HubSpot, then chosen Trello as the action with an event and connected Trello. You now have the foundation for a reliable automation that bridges your CRM and task management. Thanks for watching and great job getting your